Hey guys, remember this one, More Than Words by Extreme? Let's take a listen to it. Saying I love you is not the words I want to hear from you. It's not that I want to. It's not gonna let how easy it would be to show me how you feel more than words. It's all you have to do to make it real. Then you wouldn't have to say that you love me, 'cause I already know. All right. Remember that one? Funny story. Me and my good buddy in high school would drive home from basketball practice every day after school, and we would sing this as a duet, and we thought we were awesome. We did. We were, I guess. But fun song, and it's fun to watch that video again and just remember being in high school and all that. But we're going to do this on piano, okay? And we're going to transfer what the guitar does onto piano, and it works pretty good. It really helps if you have someone on a woodblock or something doing the little offbeat, 3, 4, hitting the, or even snapping. Shawn did that a little bit in the video. I don't know if you heard that, but that'll help you with your rhythm. All right, but let's get started with it. And we have flats, and sorry about that, but that's the key we're in. What they do is they play it in G on the guitar, which is a very common key, but it's tuned down a half step. So, we're not going to tune down on a piano. We just play it in G flat. And I want to do it in the key that the original is, so that's what we're doing. And don't be scared of flats, because it's just what you're used to. Get used to playing in flats and you'll be fine. All right, so let me get started here. The guitar part does this. So we got to have spaces in there. We're going to have those beats where we're not playing anything, so you don't want to pedal it to death. Okay, in fact, it'd be good to start with no pedal, learn what you're doing with your hands, and then you can add a little pedal tastefully as we get into it. Guys, if you're a member of the website, webpianoteacher.com, you can download my sheet here, so you can have either a piece of paper with everything on it, or what I like to do is hook my phone or tablet up to a monitor, and I can zoom it out, and I can really work on specific measures, and then zoom it back to the original so that I can see everything at once. So that's a neat way to do it too. But we start with G flat on the left hand, and then G flat, D flat, G flat on the right. Now my left hand is going to go G flat to D flat. And this isn't exactly what the guitar plays. Sometimes I tweak it to sound good on piano, just for certain little things work a little better the way I arranged it. But I tried to stay pretty close to what the acoustic guitar is doing. And we have a little staccato there, so you got to come off of that. It's ready, go, 1. And then everything's on the offbeat on this. So you really got to feel that. G flat, D flat, left hand goes to B. So we put that in. Here we go. Ready and go. Ba-da-bum. See that lift in the middle? And then I go back to G flat, D flat, G flat, left hand on D flat. And that's staccato. So I put that in and go. Now the next one comes down on the end of the measure, not on the downbeat. Very rarely do we actually have a chord on the downbeat. We're just holding over every time. So we have G flat and D flat again, left hand on a B natural. Really could call it a C flat, but I think everybody registers the note B better in your brain. So you see a B B right there. So from the beginning, ready, and go. And then we have G flat, D flat, G flat again, left hand, on an E flat. All right, so we have ready, go. And then we're going to go. All right, so right here, it's still on the B. Right hand still on that G flat, D flat, G flat. We play another B there. Then we have G flat, B, left hand on the A flat now. And then that holds over again on count one. We don't have anything on count one. We're just holding over. And that's why I write it that way. I write the chord and then holding over and then the curved line showing that we're tying it over to the count one. As you're holding that A flat on the left hand, we'll add, so we already have G flat and B, we'll add an E flat on the top of the fourth finger. Okay? So it's 1 and 2 and ready and go. Try it again. 1, 2, and slower, and go. Okay? So it really helps if you have a metronome going. Right, I tried to do a little clicking there to help you hear where that beat is. But when he's playing guitar, when he's actually hitting the guitar with his hand for the percussive part of it. So he's playing, he's plucking the strings, and then he's hitting the guitar for that second and fourth beat to help keep the rhythm. And so we can't really do that on piano, but we can have, you know, a metronome going or some sort of somebody, you know, hitting a wood block or something very lightly. Helps to keep the rhythm and also makes a nice addition to your playing there. Let's do it one more time, all right? From the beginning, ready and go. All right, guys. So all the rest of the parts are on webpianoteacher.com. Again, download the sheet if you're on there to really help you in your studying and your learning. And also, I forgot to mention, you can also watch all of the free part ones on my website without having to watch YouTube ads. So check it out. Talk to you later.